YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing the second part of matrices, addition and subtraction of matrices. We've been able to iron out in our last video addition and subtraction of matrices, but in that instance we only have two members, two elements, as in for 1 and 2. But this time around we'll be having 3, 1, 2, 3, as in 1, 2, 3. A quick reminder: if you are adding or subtracting matrices, ensure you add or subtract the corresponding element. As simple as it looks, it is very easy for someone to make mistake while adding or subtracting those corresponding elements, most especially when you are in exam condition. You can easily make mistake as simple as it looks. So you have to be very, very careful while adding and subtracting, because you'll be adding and subtracting the corresponding element. Very quickly, we have two questions here. Let's dive straight into solving the question. Question number 1 says, if A is this, B is this, and C is this, if you find A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. So let's say solution number 1. Awesome. We have it here. Let's say solution number 1. So we have to find A plus B minus C. So this is our A plus, that's what the question says, B minus C. Awesome. So we now have our A plus B minus C. When adding or subtracting, ensure it is the corresponding element, because it is very easy to make mistake. So let's see what we can do. Okay, let's start. Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2. The next one, we have this, then minus 1, the corresponding element. That's for this. Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 1. Let's go to the next one. 0 plus minus 1. 0 plus minus 1. The corresponding element. This is 0 plus minus 1. So you now go minus 0. Minus 0. You have to be very careful. The next one, 7 plus minus 7. That you have here. 7 plus minus 7. This is 7 plus minus 7. Then the corresponding one here is minus 2. Minus 2. Beautiful. So you have 7 plus minus 7 minus 2. Then the last one here, we have minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. Then the corresponding one from here, minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 minus 4. Very key. So with this, we can now eliminate those that has brackets. So those that have brackets can now move and deal with them. So let's see, 0 plus minus 1 here, because plus times minus here would definitely give us minus. Plus times minus will give us what? Minus. So we have minus 1 here. So we've been able to iron out that. So with this, plus times minus here give us minus. We have minus 7 here. Beautiful. Minus times minus here. Minus times minus will give us what? Plus. Minus times minus here will give us what? Plus. Beautiful. So, and lastly here, minus times minus here will give us what? Plus. Minus times minus here will give us what? Plus. So here we have plus. Beautiful. So let's see what our final answer will look like. Let's see what our final answer will look like. So we now say minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 give us minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 give us what? Minus 2. Minus 1 minus 1 give us what? Minus 2. Beautiful. 0 minus 1 will give us minus 1. Minus 1 minus 0 will still give us what? Minus 1. Awesome. 7 minus 7 will give us 0. 7 minus 7 will give us what? 0. 0 plus 2 will give us what? 2. Minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 will give us 0. Minus 4 plus 4 will give us 0. 0 plus 4 will give us what? 4. So this is our final answer. Minus 2 minus 1, 2, 4. Very easy. So you need to be very careful while adding or subtracting the corresponding element so that you will not make mistake. Then always put the sign into consideration. Let's go straight to solution number 2. Solution number 2. Awesome. If A is this, B is this, and C is this, we are asked to find A minus B plus C. A minus B plus C. A minus B plus C. So let's see how we go about that. A minus B plus C. Now, don't forget we are adding and subtracting the corresponding elements. So we start from A. Awesome. This is A minus B. A minus B minus B minus B. What's our B? This is our B. Just bring down our B here. Then plus C. Plus C. Where's our? Okay, this is our C. Beautiful. So we have our A minus B plus C. So let's quickly see how we go about that. Awesome. Be careful with those signs because we have a whole lot here now. Let's go. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 plus 3 plus 3. 2 minus 1 plus 3. The next one, 3 minus minus 1. 3 minus minus 1. Ensure it is the corresponding element. 3 minus minus 1 plus minus 1. plus minus 1. You can check again. 3 minus 1 plus minus 1. Then the last one, minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 minus 5 plus 2. Plus 2. Beautiful. Minus 1 minus 5 plus 2. That's for that. So we move to the next one. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Ensure it is the corresponding element. Minus 1 minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 plus minus 3. Then the next one, 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. At the middle, 1 minus 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 1. Beautiful. At the middle, that's 1 minus 0 plus minus 1. Then at this extreme right, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 plus 4. 0 minus 2 plus 4. 0 minus 2 plus 4. Then down here, 4 minus 1 plus 2. 4 minus 1 plus 2. 4 minus 1 plus 2. Middle down here, 3 minus 4 plus minus 4. 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 Then the last one, 2 minus minus 1. 2 minus minus 1 plus 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 1. So with this now, let's tackle those ones that has bracket so that those signs will not confuse us. Beautiful. So here we have minus times minus here will give us what? Plus. Minus times minus here will give us plus. So we have plus 1 here. Minus times plus here will give us minus. So we have minus 1 here. Beautiful. So let's come here because this one too has bracket. Minus times plus here will give us what? Minus. So we have minus 3 here. Beautiful. Minus times plus here will give us what? Minus. So we have minus 1 here. Minus times plus here will give us. So we have minus 1 here. Beautiful. So Then here we have minus times plus here to give us minus. Minus times plus and give us minus. Beautiful. And lastly, for those that has brackets, minus times minus here will give us what? Plus. So we have plus 1 here. Beautiful. So with this, we can now get our final answer. With this, we can get our final answer. So let's go. So we now have 2 minus 1 will give us what? 1. 1 plus 3 will give us what? 4. Beautiful. The next one we have here, 3 plus 1 will give us what? 4. 3 plus 1 will give us 4. 4 minus 1 will give us what? 3. The next one, minus 1 minus 5 will give us minus 6. Minus 1 minus 5 will give us minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2 will give us minus 4. Beautiful. The next one, minus 1 minus 2 will give us what? Minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3 will give us what? Minus 6. Awesome. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 will give us what? 1. 1 minus 0 will give us 1. So 1 minus 1 will give us what? 0. 1 minus 0 will give us what? 1. So 1 minus 1 will give us what? 0. 0. Awesome. So 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 will give us what? Minus 2. 0 minus 2 will give us minus 2. So minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 will give us what? 2. It's just like saying 4 minus 2. It's going to give us what? 2. Awesome. This one here, 4 minus 1 will give us what? 3. 4 minus 1 will give us 3. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. Beautiful. Now this one, 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 will give us minus 1. 3 minus 4 will give us minus 1. Minus 1 minus 4 will give us what? Minus 5. Minus 5. And lastly, 2 plus 1 will give us 3. 3 plus 1 will give us what? 4. Beautiful. So this is our final answer. You can always pause and rewind this video for better clarification and understanding. If you have any question or issue about this video or any of our video, kindly drop a comment. We will reply as soon as we can. Help us like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, My Simple Maths. And don't forget to help press the notification bell so that you can always receive notification from us whenever we post a new video. Thank you.